Here I have CAT S53, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tapping on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions to this mode. It could be people, it could be apps, it could be alarms and other interruptions. You can also set up a schedule for this mode, like you can select on which days it will be active, select start time, end time, and also like set up its behavior, something like that. You can also set up default duration of the Not Disturb mode, and you can also hide notifications. Like you can also hide, you can only hide sound from notifications, or you can hide sound and visuals. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.